Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can crossfade songs on Spotify. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly. And here we go. First of all, open up your Spotify application on your PC. If you don't have the Spotify application, then you can download it by simply going to the official website of Spotify and clicking on download button. Anyways, after downloading and installing, simply log in with your Spotify ID inside the application to open it up. After opening the application, the interface will be something like this. Then what you need to do is just click on your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen and open up settings. Inside settings, many options will be available in terms of list view. Now you just have to scroll down a bit until you see the tab playback. Under the playback tab, there will be an option crossfade. Toggle it on from the right side of it. After enabling it, there will be a slider available in front of you. Now, what it does is that it will decide the duration of crossfade between each song. You can change its value from 1 second to 12 seconds. I'll keep it minimum. You can keep the settings you want as it depends wholly upon you and you are done. And that's how you can crossfade songs on Spotify. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.